Da. Oh, help! You need help there. You need help. Help, Mama. Need help?
It works.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Hi guys, hi Frank. Guys, kakauwi lang kami nag-grocery shopping guys for weekend, and Frank will show you what we got. No, I show it to you guys. We got nuggets for the kids. Look at how ang laki ng spinach guys, pero gidesign ko yan parang lagbati guys ba. Onion. Look, this is a German bread. Gahi kayo siya guys. It's like toasted and I don't know why they like it. But it's their food. Cucumber for Frank, salad. I get chocolate. We get Coke. Toast for me. For the Filipino people in the world. Yeah. Water for Frank, sparkling. Ako guys, umiinom lang ako sa faucet. And he is not drinking in the faucet, so he wants sparkling. So he got that. Peanut butter. Mike Michel's American brand. Mueller. Oh, it's loads na. Coffee. Yeah, instant coffee. Banana for the monkey. You know who's banana here? Who's monkey here?
Who's banana?
who's monkey? What is this called? Cauliflower. We have this also in Philippines. Cauliflower. Wait, how come? Banana nectar. I didn't know that there's a banana juice.
Yeah, I don't like it actually because you have no refund on those butters.
But you wanna try?
No, it's yummy. I like it.
You have tasted this one?
Yeah, of course.
See? He's really a monkey, guys. He was banana. Even the juice, he was banana. Can you put in the fridge? Help me, please. Yeah. So Frank is going to put it all in the fridge. Onions. Sibuyas dahon ba, guys? In Philippines, we call it sibuyas dahon. Fruit cocktails.
An egg from last week. In case somebody wants to have it, we have one spare.
And spaghetti pasta with sauce na siya.
We actually have plans.
What? For bread, guys.
To have enough.
Yeah, I told you. We also got last time. But we don't have enough sauce na. For bread ni siya, guys. 4 liters of milk because for Frank, milk is life. See, 4 liters of milk. You can finish that in just a blink of your eyes. Garlic. Toilet wipes. And I got meats here. So I think we are set for the weekend. Though but this is not for the weekend. Yes. So that's it, guys. So ayun si Frank, guys, tumutulong. Look at that. Hindi kami guys, kami nagsabot pero we have same attire. Didn't know that we have the same attire. I'm the general and he is the private soldier. And me is the general. Yeah. Guys, tingnan nyo guys, nabili ko sa Cody. Non-stick pan. On sale siya. On sale siya, guys. Price niya before is 20 euros. There, it shows. Then, naging 8.99 na lang siya. At dalawa yung kinuha namin ni Frank kasi bibigay namin si Pilipinas ang isa. Ito. Black naman yung isa. Ayun. Ayun, guys. Teng, teng, teng.
Hi, guys. You know what, guys? Frank is so productive today.
Oh my god.
We finished the...
I cannot believe.
There's a crazy girl here. Ella?
I'm not talking about Frank.
Yeah. Guys, good evening, guys. Dito si Frank, guys. Naglalagay siya ng curtains. Yung Christmas tree namin. Naglalagay siya ng curtains dyan. Yan. Hi, Frank.
on TV?
Yeah, on my TV. So, Francine is here. She's sleeping. Oh, she's waking up. Oh, no, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Wait then, Mama. Guys, tapos na si Frank mag-ano sa cortina namin, guys. Look, guys. Dadeng! Nilagay niya dyan. And, yun, natapos na yung Christmas tree namin dyan. Ay, may pa-lights kami. Ay, hindi pa pala tapos. May flaps pa kaming bibilhin. Eh, grabe kapoy kay guys. We start around
1 or 2.
No, we were out still at 2 because we are eating lunch 3 already. So I think we started 3 something to kuan guys, to finish here the living room. As you all know, I explained before na si Francine nagising.
She just explained that you already know that we were talking about it.
Sa isang video ko guys, in-explain ko na yung bedroom namin gagawin naming living room. So ito na siya guys, naging living room na siya. Pero hindi na ako tatayo guys. So makikita nyo naman yan. So, ayun na, andito na kami. Andito na yung sofa na ina-symbol niya. Yun, somebody wants to see the star, what it looks like actually when it's assembled. Somebody asked for that. So, I will show you what it looks like. Here's our dining there. Here's the Christmas tree. And there's, Frank is taking this. Oh, ganyan siya guys. Oh, maganda siya. Ganyan siya. Ganyan.
The star, don't come with me when you buy that in IKEA.
Yeah.
I won't hold it.
Yeah.
It's a nice stand.
Yeah. But
It fits perfectly on any table.
Yeah. But we bought that separately, na?
Separately from what?
Separate bulbs, separate the star, separate prices ba?
Yeah, you have to buy the stand,
You have to
buy
buy
the
the
bulb, and
and
you
the
have to buy the star.
Yeah. So,
3
ayun.
parts which you have to buy
You have to buy it.
and assemble it.
Yeah, you have to buy it differently, guys. So, actually, it's mura lang siya, pero but ang star mura, pero you have to get also the stand and the bulb. So, ayun. So, ayun na yung ginawa ni Frank. Tumitingin sila ng ano. Yun, guys, yung Toys R Us na booklet, guys, ba? Na binigay na advertisement. Tumitingin sila dahil si Ella.
What?
Christmas daw kuno, Christmas gift daw kuno. Wala kaming pera, walang gift. I marap lang ako ng kindi.
Yeah, the dentist will be happy.
Yeah, right, Frank? Yeah. So, they're picking for wish list. So, I think guys, I need to close the video. So, kasi gabi na. It's around 8 p.m. na. I prepare for dinner for Ella. And tomorrow is Sunday. So, ayun na guys. So, bye-bye time guys.
Bye.
Bye. No life, so no, you will really get candy in Christmas. So, bye-bye guys.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. So, bye-bye. Good night. Good night, Mom.
Bye.
Good night, Jean.
Good night, everyone. Good night, everyone. Good night for Francine there. Bye-bye.